Hi everyone, today I'm going to help you to use some of the connectors which you can use in your writing. Many times what happen, we go for some of the heavy words like synonyms of and but we do not actually know how and when to use them. So today I'm going to help you to know how to use your connectors correctly and to get good band scores. So let's start to know what are and but. If we are going to replace them with some heavy words, we do need to know when we use and when we use but. And we use when you have something positive and you add one more positive thing in this. Like, I'm good at English and I also speak my native language. So I talk about two good things. But if I talk about something negative with something good, I can use but. Like positive plus negative. If you speak something negative with positive, you should use there but. You should not use and there. I cannot say I am good at English and I do not know my native language. My sentence has to be I'm good at English but I do not know much about my native language. So basically when you are talking about something which is going to be in a negative zone, that is not good at you, then you have to use this but for negative, positive plus negative. But here we talk about two good things. You can also talk about negative here, but your second sentence also has to be negative. Like, I am not good at English and I am also not good at my native languages. So here I am talking about two negative things, so that's why I am adding and. Here you can start with something negative as well. But next you should add something positive. Like, I am not good at English, but I am good at my native language. So here first I started with something negative, then I talked about positive. So this is how we are going to use and but. To replace these words, we have some synonyms such as, to replace and you can use the word moreover. So these words, there are some more also, but they are not going to be that difficult to replace and use in your writing. So I hope you can try to use them when you want to replace them. In the next session, I am going to help you how can you add them in your sentences. So now we are going to see how can we use the connector moreover. Connector, and we are talking about to replace and we can use moreover, as we have learned already. Now the basic sentence which you can use with and is, people mostly do shopping and they are good at bargaining. People mostly do shopping, full stop, moreover, comma, they are good at bargaining. These are the basic sentences which we can see in 6 to 6.5 bands writing. But we are going to see now the same connector. How can we use to enhance our writing score? People mostly do shopping. As you can see, this sentence from here to here is almost the same like this. Then moreover and one more comma. The next good thing I am doing here is, I am not adding here a pronoun, like here I am adding they. They. I am directly starting my sentence with are. Are good at bargaining, full stop. So this is how you can use your connector moreover in an advanced way. Let's go for the another connector. So let's see now how can we replace the connector but. As we learned, we can use however to replace the connector but. So here we have a sentence with but. People mostly do shopping. So we have here but. As my second sentence is negative, they are not good at bargaining, and my first sentence is positive. Positive and negative. If I replace this connector, I can use here however. What would you do? You can add here a full stop and comma. That's basic way to add it. Sometimes students even use but in this way. Okay, so you have these options, but I can tell you to use however in the beginning of your sentence. For example, however, people mostly do shopping. So here again my positive sentence, but now I'm connecting it with comma. After this, use your pronoun. For people, I can use they. They are not good at bargaining. As there is not, it means I'm talking about something which is not good at them. So that's why I am adding here however, a good thing and the negative thing. So here you can start with the connector however. It would be better to add on for getting good band scores in your writing task. So this is how you can use the connector but and also and. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you so much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe the channel The Next Step to watch my other videos.